I know, I got that. It's on tape. Don't worry, I got it.
I'm not answering any questions. Does he live here in the development?
I don't know. I didn't speak to him.
So then why are you asking me these questions? I don't want to answer any questions.
This is kind of a private.
And you have no California ID or driver license in possession.
I want to get your side because somebody came in.
I have
reported
no
like a dispute and said that you made threats. I just want to get your side so I can do a report on it.
Can I speak to your supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
You must have someone above you.
No.
Welcome back to Mr. White. Today we're diving into 3 intense encounters with Karen cops officers who seem to have forgotten that constitutional rights still exist. First stop, Mahwah, New Jersey, March 14th. A First Amendment Auditor was visiting a friend on Seminary Drive when he realized someone was secretly following him. Suspicion quickly turned into confrontation. When the auditor confronted the man, he was ordered to leave and threatened with trespassing charges, despite having no legal basis for removal. Even after the auditor explained the situation, the man ignored the facts and went as far as writing down his license plate number. But it didn't stop there. The pursuer repeatedly got out of his car, approached the auditor, and even tried to provoke him into stepping out, a highly dangerous tactic. However, the auditor played it smart, refused to take the bait, and stood his ground. Tension escalated quickly, and the situation became completely unpredictable. This is where things exploded. Are you ready? Let's see what happened next.
What's up, boss? How are you?
Can I help you?
How you doing?
Can I help you, sir?
Are you stranded or?
Is there a reason why you're asking me questions?
Well, you're parked on the side of the road.
Is that illegal?
Make sure you're not disabled or anything like that.
I don't think that's the reason. Why did you put your lights on? You just saw a black guy here and just
For your
decided.
safety and mine, when I come behind you, I'm going to put my lights on.
I'm safe. I'm in the corner and parked legally.
Okay.
You think that's safe enough?
You weren't parked illegally.
I think you're lying. What is the real reason why you're here?
To make sure that you're okay and not disabled, that you may need a tow or something like that.
I don't think
all the time.
I don't think that's the reason. You know that's not the reason. So
Okay.
can you mind stop lying and just get to the point? Why are you here?
Well, that's my first reason. The other reason is there was a complaint earlier that you may have exchanged words with somebody earlier.
Is that illegal?
That is not illegal.
So then why?
Make sure everything was okay.
I don't want.
Okay,
Listen, I don't want to be approached. Okay, my day was already messed up, and I just want to be left alone. That's it.
Completely fine. That is completely fine. You are parked legally on the side of the road. Nothing wrong with that. I just want to make sure everything was okay.
You're drawing attention to me by turning your lights on there.
Any complaint signed against the person that you had words with?
Allegedly, right?
What's that?
Allegedly. Did you?
I did not take the report. I was told to come in the area because they had taken your plate down. So I'm just checking it out. If you don't want to sign complaints against them or talk to me about that, that's completely fine. You're doing nothing wrong. Sitting here on the side of the road.
I want nothing to do with any racist people out here. And I'm referring to whatever individual.
I'm not racist,
I'm not saying you. Did I say you?
Job just to check out to make sure everything's good.
I never said you were the racist. I never identified you. I said I want nothing to do with any racists out here. Okay? So
Right.
I just want to be left alone.
Do you live here in this development?
I'm not answering any questions. Does he live here in the development?
I don't know. I didn't speak to him.
So then why are you asking me these questions? I don't want to answer any questions.
This is kind of a private.
Private what?
Semi-private. There's only an entrance and an exit.
Is this a public street?
It is a public.
So then it's
That's
not
why I said
private
semi.
then. Is that a fire hydrant?
A fire hydrant? I don't know where you're from.
Right over there. Is that a red fire hydrant?
Yeah, there's a red.
Okay, so who puts fire hydrants up?
Official reason? A welfare check. Reality? Not at all. The officer was actually called by Karen, the person who had been tailing and following the auditor just moments before. So why would the officer lie? It's not only unnecessary, but also suspicious, especially when the auditor already knows the truth. If there's nothing to hide, why distort reality? The auditor did nothing wrong. He was about to leave when Karen showed up and escalated the situation. He only decided to stay to see how the police would handle it. Now, let's watch how this situation unfolds. Will the officer follow the law, or is he just abusing his authority?
What's that?
Who puts the fire hydrants there? Is it a state-owned fire hydrant?
I don't know what kind of fire hydrant that is.
Well, listen, then you probably need to go research it. I need to be left alone. I'm not doing anything wrong. If you want to go talk to someone, you can probably talk to whoever's in those other cars, okay?
You had some sort of exchange with somebody. I just wanted to make sure you're good to go.
I'm not answering any questions. I just want to be left alone.
That's fine then.
Can I get a card number, please?
A CAD number?
Yes, for the call.
I'd have to go back to my computer.
Sure. There's no threat here.
Some identification?
For what?
To know who I'm talking to?
I don't want you to know who you're talking to. And I don't need to know who you are. As a matter of fact, I do need to know who you are. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Sinisi 1152.
Which department are you with?
Mahwah Police Department.
Or where is that located?
221 Franklin Turnpike.
Okay. And is this individual who's coming here your supervisor?
He is not my supervisor.
Can he identify himself to me, please?
Can he identify? You'd have to ask him. I can't tell him to do anything.
The Officer Berger, 1184.
Okay. And you were the same department?
Yeah, Mahwah Police Department.
Okay. Are you guys on the same level? Are you a supervisor?
No.
Okay. Okay, I would like to be left alone.
All right, sir. Can I just ask you about? Well, because I want to get your side because somebody came in.
I have
reported
no
like a dispute and said that you made threats. I just want to get your side so I can do a report on it.
I don't answer any questions. If that person said I made threats, have them provide you with evidence and take me to court. I have my evidence too. Okay, so I'm not gonna answer any questions.
Okay.
That's fine.
I just want to be left alone.
That's what I told you from the beginning, did I not?
Told me what? No, you told me that you're here to check and see if I'm okay, if I need any assistance. And I know that's not the
You're
bottom.
on the side of the road, and it's not that
Do
far
you
off.
stop at every car that's parked to the side of the road and ask them, "Here, are you disabled?" How often do you do that? You know that
Often, actually, we get calls all the time for that.
you didn't get a call for this. You don't have to butter me up. You know, you can come and tell me the
I'm
truth.
not buttering you up.
Yes, don't approach me with a lie. Just come and tell me the truth. Hey, we got a call. You're not interested in my safety, and you and I both know my safety is not your concern, according to the Supreme Court.
According to the Supreme Court, okay, very good.
It's not.
All right. Well, if you don't want to talk to the officer about the situation, you seem to be good to go. So no.
I would
issues
just
here.
like the CAD number so I
You want
can
the
go.
CAD number?
Yeah,
Sure,
so I
I'll
can
go
get the
I'll go
call.
to my vehicle and get the CAD
Thank you
number.
very much. I don't understand. This guy is such a racist guy, the one who called on me. And he really messed up my day.
Yeah, sir. All I wanted was just follow up with you. Obviously, if something was reported to us, I always get both sides before I do a report. All right, if you don't want to speak to me, that's
No,
fine.
no, I don't want to
So-
report with my name on it. But
Okay, no problem.
that individual is a racist, and I want nothing with my name next to his name, or with anything regarding me
Listen,
next
I
to him.
understand that. That's why,
So,
I just wanted to, see if you had anything to add to the incident.
listen,
You
if
don't speak
anything
to me,
comes,
so
if anything
that's fine.
comes up in the
Uh,
future, I took video too,
Okay.
so we can move from there. Okay, I'll have my company lawyer deal with him, and we can take it from there when the time comes. But
Here's your CAD number.
yeah,
Oops.
no, sorry, I got it,
No,
man.
my bad.
Thanks.
All right, sir.
All right. Have a good day, then.
You too.
From start to finish, the officer's story kept changing, exposing a serious lack of transparency in law enforcement. First, it was just a welfare check, but there was no one in need of assistance. Then they claimed they received a call, yet failed to provide any legal justification. When backup arrived, the officer even accused the auditor of threatening Karen, a blatant fabrication used to justify abuse of power. The first officer tried to pressure the auditor into providing ID, but was lawfully denied. The auditor stood firm, reminding them that he had every right to be parked there, and that law enforcement had no legal grounds to demand his personal information. Know your rights, protect yourself. The Fourth Amendment of the U.S. Constitution protects your privacy, preventing law enforcement from searching or seizing property without probable cause. You are not obligated to provide ID unless there is reasonable suspicion of a crime. Always record police interactions. Video evidence is your strongest defense. Ask for legal justification if police order you to leave, and demand they cite the specific law. Disturbing reality. According to the National Institute of Justice, over 42% of police misconduct cases stem from baseless calls made by civilians manipulating law enforcement. This is exactly why knowing your rights is essential. Don't let the police misuse their authority. What do you think about this case? Are the officers enforcing the law or simply following unjustified orders? Let us know in the comments. Check out the auditor's channel and subscribe to support those fighting for truth. Now let's move on to the next video.
Yeah, 4th of April, I believe. I'm sorry,
Hi, sir. I just took a picture. You're also on camera.
That's fine.
My name is Sergeant Rodriguez. I already
Okay.
spoke to you that you got pulled over for expired registration. I took up also, it's on video that you have expired registration and also that you don't have a front plate.
Actually, if you notice my
Up here.
if you notice my plate, I got in a car
Sir,
accident.
hold on. I'm videotaping because this is gonna go with court with your ticket. And also, you gave us a paper with your driver's license, and you have no proof of insurance or registration.
I showed you my proof of registration.
Yeah, but you don't have proof of registration either. So you don't have proof that this is your car.
Yeah.
So that all this is being downloaded with also when you go to court, okay?
That's fine.
I'm just letting you know you're being on tape. Okay?
That's fine, but if
I got that. It's on tape. Don't worry, I got it. All this is gonna go to court.
That's fine. So I'm being harassed. Am I being detained?
Sir.
Am I being detained? Am I being detained?
You're being detained. You're gonna get a ticket right now.
No, if I'm being detained, you're gonna take me in.
No, sir, that's
Am
not
I
the way
being
it works.
detained or am I free to go? Yes, it is.
No,
it's my
you're not
right.
free to go.
I feel like I'm being harassed.
You are being detained.
I'm being harassed. You just said you're being detained. I'm being detained. I am being detained. Okay. So do you want me to walk out? Are you gonna arrest me?
No, you're being detained.
This isn't detaining me. You're.
Sir, I'm not gonna argue with you. You're on camera, okay?
What?
We're gonna give you a ticket. We're writing it out right now, and then you're able to free to go, and then you could go to court. Just stand by a little bit, okay?
I'm
Please
being
cooperate.
harassed.
My name is Sergeant Rodriguez. You're on camera. Please cooperate.
I don't understand what's happening. I already received a ticket. I mean, why am I getting another ticket? Can you please explain that to me?
Yes, we're gonna explain it to you. We're writing it out right now. Just a moment.
I want to know why I'm getting a ticket.
You are, sir. Just a moment. You're on camera.
You're on. It's fine. It's pathetic. I'm. You guys should be ashamed. You're supposed to uphold the law. What did I do? Did I cut somebody off? I'm sorry. Why are you hiding?
Are you on camera, sir?
It's fine.
Okay.
I understand
you
that.
This is like the
I
fifth
know.
time I'm telling you,
Yes.
and I'm telling you again. You have expired registration. I took a picture of it. It's on video.
Can you please give me my ticket so I can go?
Yes, we're writing it, sir. That takes a while. Okay?
It does not. They wrote me that ticket that she has in about 2 minutes. I don't understand what the holdup is.
It's gonna take. It takes a while to write the ticket, sir. Okay.
Oh,
And also, if that's not against the law, being slow writing a ticket, and also, you don't have proof of registration.
I just showed you the registration on my
sir,
phone.
you don't have. Where's the registration?
I showed it to you.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
You said
I gave you my camera and I showed you what it was.
No,
You're telling me
you
that's
haven't done
false?
Yeah, go ahead and show it to me.
No, you're telling.
No.
You want me to show you? Oh God.
It's not updated in our system.
I'm sorry. What's your badge number? 11.
Rodriguez.
Your badge number? Is it the 1134? Is that your badge number?
Yep.
Okay. Does it really take that long to make a ticket? I'm just being straight up harassed.
Sir, please cooperate. Okay? Thank you.
I don't have to cooperate.
Yes, you do. You have to cooperate.
I don't.
Yes, you do.
You're violating the
This is
Constitution of the
gonna go to
United States of America. You know that, right? You should be ashamed. Why'd you pull me over? Is it because of the way I look? Because I'm young. The first thing that you ask, are you on parole? The first thing you ask, are you on
Sir,
parole?
You have expired registration.
No.
It's on video.
Okay, so if you pull someone over
Sir,
for
I'm not here to argue with you.
if
Thank
you pull
very much. You're on
someone
video.
if you pull someone over for an expired registration, right away you're gonna assume that they're on parole. How is that? How does that work? That's racial profiling. It's against the law. You can't do that. You're supposed to uphold the law.
Sir, please cooperate.
I'm cooperating. Can I please?
We're not here to
Have my
argue. We're just cooperate. Thank you very much. You're on camera.
I understand that. It's fine.
Do you have any form of identification?
I have
Like a California ID?
Yes, I have it right here on my phone. Give me a sec. Officer Salcedo just told me that she can take me
Sir,
into custody.
It's on video. jail.
She can take me into custody to verify my driver's license, even though I'm trying to tell her, and I gave her my replacement driver's license.
So I'm
And
supposed to believe this is who you are?
I'm trying to show you.
Okay,
Can you let me?
Show me.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat that?
I already said it again, sir.
Can you please repeat it to me? I didn't understand. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Here, you need to sign
This
right
is
here.
the ticket right there.
Can you
need
please
to sign for the
can you please
ticket?
explain it to me?
You can read it here.
Can you explain it to me?
Explain to what?
Explain to me why you gave me a ticket.
You can read it here. Are you gonna sign or not?
Can you please explain it to me?
You're getting a ticket for not having a front license plate, like I explained to you.
Okay.
Okay. Your registration is not in the vehicle.
Okay.
You have no insurance,
Okay.
and you have no California ID or driver license in possession.
But I have my driver's license.
Okay.
I'm trying to show you.
Not in
I'm not going to sign for that.
Not in possession.
Can I talk to your supervisor, please?
I am the supervisor. My
Can
name is
I talk
Sergeant
to your
Rodriguez.
supervisor, please?
Okay, no.
you-
You need, sir, you need to sign it or we're going to take you to jail.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm
Can I
serious.
speak to your supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
You must have someone above you.
No.
Do you have a superintendent? Who?
I will take you to jail, and I will take you
You
to
know
jail.
what? My sister works for the sheriff's department. We're gonna
Okay.
find out what's happening.
Okay. I need
This
you to sign
this
it.
isn't legal.
Okay, I need you to sign
I'm
it.
signing against my will. Okay.
Okay, sign it
I'm
against
signing
your will,
against
that's
my
fine.
will, just so you know. And I have this in camera.
Okay. It says,
Thank you.
Can you please acknowledge that I'm signing against my will?
Yeah, just sign it.
Can you please acknowledge?
I'm
Yes?
acknowledging. Yes, I'm acknowledging.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, and you could fight it in court.
Yes, I understand that. I will be fighting it in court.
Thank you very much, sir.
No, I have insurance.
okay.
Why did you put no insurance? Can you please cross that out? I'm not signing
No,
that.
no,
I'm
sir.
gonna cross it out.
No,
You can't
you're
cross
not going
it
to
out.
cross it
Why
out.
not?
You can't cross it.
I have
See, look at
insurance.
what it
Okay,
says
fine.
here.
You know what? I have insurance.
Without admitting guilt, promise to appear in place indicated.
Thank you for reading that.
Yeah, I promise.
Thank you.
Okay, that's fine. And I have all my papers and everything, so it's fine.
Okay, thank you
Yeah.
very much.
Okay.
I'll see you in court.
All right, I'll see you there. Trust me.
Okay.
Okay, let me have your right thumb.
No, what?
Your right thumb,
Why is that?
because you have no photo ID, so I don't know.
I try to show it to you, but
No,
you don't
sir,
let me.
Okay.
You don't give me enough time.
I gave you
I
time.
gave you
I'm-
plenty of time.
Okay. Right
Oh,
thumb.
God.
Thank you very much.
This is pathetic.
Okay, right there.
Right there. Thank you very much, sir.
You're supposed to be ashamed of yourself.
Okay. Have a good
Thank
day.
you. Have a good day.
Once again, we witness law enforcement turning a minor traffic violation into an unnecessarily tense situation, escalating the encounter and showing a lack of respect for citizens. Imagine driving through California, a state with over 27 million registered vehicles. You've already paid for your registration renewal and are simply waiting to pass a smog check, yet you still get pulled over. Instead of handling the situation reasonably, the officers immediately order you to put your hands where they can see them, as if you were a dangerous criminal. Minor violation, excessive response. The driver had his license and was ready to show it, but the officers refused to listen. They threatened him with arrest just because he didn't immediately sign the citation. Is that even justified? He asked to speak with a supervisor, but the officers denied his request, violating his fundamental right to accountability in law enforcement. Is this system really designed to protect citizens, or is it just instilling fear? According to the National Institute of Justice, over 38% of police misconduct cases stem from unnecessary escalations during routine traffic stops, where officers fail to de-escalate and instead turn minor infractions into major confrontations. What every citizen should know: you have the right to ask why you were pulled over. Officers must provide a valid legal reason. You are not required to sign a citation if you suspect misconduct. Request a supervisor immediately. Always record your interactions with police. Video footage is your strongest defense in court. Stay calm. Don't argue, but also don't comply with unlawful demands. What do you think about this case? Is this a clear case of police overreach, or is it just a failure in training? Let us know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on more eye-opening cases like this one.